what happens to your food after you take a bite. It's not magic, it's science. Your body is an amazing machine. It takes that apple or a sandwich on an incredible journey. This journey is called digestion, and it turns your food into fuel that lets you run, jump, even think. Digestion is a step-by-step process, a fantastic voyage that starts the second food enters your mouth. So, let's shrink down to the size of a pea and follow a bite of food on its trip through you. Consider this your all-access pass to the digestive system. Our adventure starts in the mouth, the food processing center. As soon as food enters, your teeth get to work. Crushers, grinders, slicers. Their job is to break big pieces into smaller bits. This is called mechanical digestion. While the teeth chomp, the tongue pushes food around so every part gets processed. It's like a construction site. More surface area for what comes next. But wait, there's more. Saliva from your salivary glands carries enzymes, tiny scissors, that start snipping starches into simpler sugars, the first chemical change unlocking energy. Once chewed and mixed with saliva, the soft round bolus forms. Your tongue pushes it back, triggering a reflex, and you swallow. This is the official launch. The food is ready to leave the mouth. Next stop, the esophagus. Think of it as a muscular water slide to your stomach. About 25 centimeters or 10 inches long, the ride is fast and efficient. Food doesn't just fall by gravity. The walls squeeze in waves called peristalsis, a coordinated push that would work even upside down. At the bottom, the lower esophageal sphincter opens to let food in, then shuts to prevent splashback that can cause heartburn. Now, welcome to the stomach, a high-powered muscular mixing tank. This J-shaped organ stretches to hold food. Its walls churn, squeezing and mashing. The neat bolus is tossed and turned, mixing with potent chemicals. It's a rock and tumble environment. The stomach releases strong gastric juices. Hydrochloric acid knocks out harmful bacteria, while pepsin begins breaking down proteins from meat, eggs, and beans. After hours of mixing, the food becomes a thick, soupy liquid called chyme, ready for the next longest part of the journey. Leaving the stomach, the chyme enters the small intestine, the superstar of the digestive system. Don't let the name fool you. It's about 6 meters or 20 feet, coiled tightly in your abdomen. Here digestion finishes and absorption begins in earnest. As chyme enters the first part, it gets help from neighbors, the liver and the pancreas, accessory organs that send crucial juices. The liver makes bile, stored in the gallbladder and released for fatty meals. Bile acts like detergent, breaking fat globs into tiny droplets. Smaller droplets mean more surface area. Pancreatic enzymes break carbohydrates to simple sugars, proteins to amino acids, and fats to fatty acids and glycerol. Now the food is transformed into millions of tiny, glowing, nutrient molecules, the building blocks and fuel your body needs. The inner wall isn't smooth, it's covered in villi, and each villus has microvilli, creating a massive surface area about the size of a tennis court. As nutrient-rich chyme flows past, villi act like tiny gates, letting nutrients into the bloodstream, which delivers them to every cell. The journey here is slow and deliberate, designed so no nutrient gets left behind. After its long journey through the small intestine, what's left enters the large intestine, wider but shorter at about 1.5 meters, or 5 feet. The material arriving is mostly indigestible fiber, water, and some dead cells. The colon's main job isn't digestion, but water reclamation. Its walls absorb most of the remaining water and electrolytes like salt. As water is absorbed, the leftovers become more solid. The large intestine is home to trillions of microbes, the gut microbiome. Don't be alarmed. Most are helpful roommates. They feed on the fiber our enzymes couldn't break down and produce useful substances including vitamin K, which helps your blood clot. Movement here is slow, sometimes a day or more, giving time for water absorption and microbial work. The darker, compact waste is moved along until it reaches the rectum, a temporary storage facility. When it's full, a signal tells your brain to visit the bathroom. The digestive journey is complete, everything useful extracted and what remains is eliminated. Excretion marks the end of the trip. So, let's recap this incredible voyage. Our bite began in the mouth, where teeth and saliva started the breakdown. It took a quick slide down the esophagus into the stomach, a muscular mixing vat where acid and enzymes turned it into a soupy liquid. Then into the long, winding small intestine. Helpers from the liver and pancreas provided bile and enzymes. Villi absorbed glowing nutrients into the blood. Science in action. Leftovers moved to the large intestine, a recycling center reclaiming water and electrolytes. While helpful bacteria broke down fiber and produced vitamins, waste was stored in the rectum before removal. Completion. Every part played a crucial role, breaking complex foods into fuel for energy, building blocks for growth, and materials for repair. It's a transformation. Something from the outside world becomes part of you, powering everything you do each day. So, the next time you sit down to eat, what healthy food will you choose to send on this incredible journey next?